everyone, welcome back to Artland. For today's Valentine's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Valentine's shark. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day shark, we're going to begin right here in our paper. So what I want to do first, I'm just going to make a nice line that's just going to come over and then down a little bit. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to make a nice line, it's just going to go over. Then I want to curve it down like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up. I'm going to jump over this fin, and I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up for like the back of our shark. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down for the fin. And right here, we're going to make another little line that's just going to go straight across. I'm going to bring this line up just a bit, but I want to leave space there. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curl down. Next, we're going to draw a little line right in the center to connect them. Starting right here, I want to make it look like he's holding a card. So to do this, we're going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to come down like this. It's going to go over, up, and back over. Kind of like a little rectangle shape. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down and then over like this to make it look more like a card. Now starting right in here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curl up like a smiley face. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then right over to here. I'm going to add some sharp teeth in here along the top and a few teeth on the bottom too. Over here we want to add a circle for the eye with another small circle inside of here. Then we just color this part in. Next, we're going to add a few gills onto here. And two little dots, or little lines up here for the nose. Right here, we're going to make a little line that goes down and up for his other fin. And then right here, we're going to add a little line that curves down, and then another one like this to make a little heart on there. And then right over here, we're going to draw a little line that curls down like this, and one more over here for a little heart. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.